In the previous video, we have seen many formatting options, and after applying the formatting options, our chart or our page is looking like this. And in our projects or real-time projects, when we create pages or like some formatting, we want to have the same formatting for other pages. Like suppose if there are any other pages, these pages should be having that background or that other styles which are applied there, but this is not the case now, right now for these pages. The one approach for this is just duplicate this page, and then we can give some name to that this page, some other name, and then we can just delete these charts, and then we can add new charts so that this background will be similar or other formatting like that. But this is not the best approach for this, so we do need a different approach, and that is we can do with the report themes. Now, when we say report themes are just a common templates we can say which can be applied across all the pages. Suppose we have done some formatting at one side, and then we can save that formatting, and then that formatting or that theme can be applied to multiple pages. So let's see how to do that. For that, we can go to view option here, and in view option there are these other templates which are available, so our themes available. You can see for this report, this is the default theme which is applied here. And if we just make some of the other things, like we if you can just change this formatting to like this, then you can see this formatting has been changed, and for this as well you can see this formatting has been changed, and for this as well. So this is one thing which is we can do, but however we don't want to do this. We can do our own theme as well. So for that, just go to this, and then there is a customize current theme option. This theme we can customize accordingly, means this is the default theme which is available, and based on this means we can customize. Now let's try to do some customization of this default theme, and we will do that with the help of this customize current theme, and just click on that, and we can give some name as a population theme. And basically there are many colors which we can specify depending upon the types which we wanted to have. So let's say this is the white color, I want the color 1, color 2, color all these things which are there, then sentiment colors. So we can do this. So if you wanted to have some more information on this, just click on these colors used to key performance indicators. This is the sentiment color. So if you wanted to change it, you can change it from here. So this way we can do this. So there are some divergent colors as well. You can see divergence colors are used in the conditional formatting. So this is the maximum, middle, and minimum values color. So suppose we wanted to have, so for maximum we wanted to have dark color. For minimum it is already light. So let's take another light color, and for middle let's have that yellow. So this is the way we can customize it for these colors, and if you want we can revert to default. Then there are advanced options as well: first level element, second level element, third level element. So and what does this category means, we can just click on this, and in help we can find out what all these things, like background elements, what should be the color for background elements, what should be the color for the secondary element, like this. We can go in a text as well, text format also we can specify here. So maybe if you wanted to specify this color for everything means, and the font size also if you wanted to increase, and if you wanted to select the color for this, that we can select. Then title font as well, means if you just wanted to have this font we can select. Then cards and KPIs, those see, these are the cards which we can create different cards. For that as well we can specify the fonts size for this text. Tab headers, what are the tabs which you are creating in this visualization. For that also we can specify different font size, font, and font color. For the visuals things, background color, suppose I wanted to have a black background, means I can select this. For border I can select, if I wanted to on the border I can on it, and I will give this border color as white. For headers color is given something like this. I will just try to give this one. And then tooltip is one thing which is getting displayed on the each chart elements, and that can be displayed in some other color. So let's try to use this color. and visual value text color. So value text color also, if you wanted to, let's have keep it as a white background color. I'm just selecting a black one, and this thing we can do. Page is again one thing, which is page wallpaper. As we have seen, the below is the wallpaper, means on that all the charts gets placed. So that background color we can keep it as blue, we can keep it as yellow. Then you can see page background as well. Page background as well, I'll just select black, or maybe this one, the light one. Then filter pane, with the filter pane is nothing but the filter pane which is here right now, means currently it is a white, so we can make it as some different color. Available filter cards and applied filter cards. So these are the things which we can do it, and we can just click on apply, and let's try to see how this gets applied. So this is something which is changed everything, and you can see this is applied to this pages as well, and yeah, this is how it looks like. So it all depends, means maybe we need to change some of the colors, like if this line is not getting displayed, then we can go in a format section, and for line color we can change. So this Africa is not able to, we cannot see it, so let's make it as black so that it will look like. So these are the things which we can see this, and how this is a filter panel and how it looks like and everything. So this is the theme which we can do in our own. Then there is one more thing which is we need to keep in mind, whenever we create any theme, we need to save this current theme. We need to save this theme, otherwise it will not be visible in that particular list of the available themes. So for that we can just save it, give it some name and save it. It is a JSON file which is got created. If you can just try to see if the custom theme is available or not. So this is the custom theme which we have created. So this is one thing. So if I just apply the old one, old format, the default one, which is the one which we already created, you can see this that got changed. I will try to apply the original default theme, and then we will see, means. So this is the theme which we already created, and if I wanted to apply the you can see the original default theme was like this, and if I wanted to apply the one which we have created, then you can use this custom, or else if it is not showing here as well, means we can just go through this browse for themes, and we can just go in our system where we have saved it, and we can just select this and open it, and so that it will get applied here. So this is something which is you can say it is imported successfully, and now you can see this all things are getting displayed. So this is how we can create our customized theme. And when it comes to creating multiple pages of the same format, so basically when in our real-time projects as well, we need to create particular theme. Like if we are developing a project for any client, then they have must have their logos, their images, their style of data, their formatting of the data, and all those things that comes with some standards or some practices, best practices. In that way we can apply the create the customized theme, and that can be applied to our project analysis visuals. So that is something which is we can do with this report theme. I hope you have understood this. If you have any questions about these themes, do let me know in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it, and if you are the first time watching my video, then please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.